Hey there, Akumal Travel Group. If you missed my last video, I showed you what kinds of activities are available without ever having to leave Akumal Bay Beach and Wellness Resort. I'll link that video in the description below. Still, there are tons of great adventures to be had in the area where ABR is located, known as the Riviera Maya. The options are nearly endless, and if you don't see something on this video that you've heard about and are hoping to experience, you can check with the ABR excursions desk located in the lobby. They know everything that's out there and can get you a pretty good deal. They'll help you to find it and book it, complete with transportation. So, now it's time to see what there is to do off the resort. Hey, little gal. You look like you're ready for an adventure. Want to hear about some of the adventure parks nearby? I don't know if they'll let you in, but come on over and let's take a look. Okay then, if you're ready, let's start with Xcaret. Most of the parks in the area are owned by the Xcaret company, so their names pretty much all begin with the letter X. Xcaret is the oldest of the parks and possibly the largest. The park is open Monday to Sunday from 8 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. Admission is free for children under 4, half price for children 5 to 11, and everyone else pays $109 each. That's actually pretty standard for the adventure parks, but you get a lot for your money. It's maybe not as much of a value as Disney, but it's pretty close. Among more than 50 activities, you'll find a coral reef aquarium, an aviary, and a butterfly pavilion. On Jaguar Island, you can see live jaguars. I'm not sure what the plural is for jaguar. Bring your snorkel gear or rent some there and float in the underground river system. You'll see waterfalls, rock formations, and tropical fish. Take a boat ride on Paradise River or get up close and personal with a manatee. Swim with stingrays in the Stingray Encounter, or be brave and swim with sharks in the Shark Encounter. Take a coral reef tour in diving bell helmets. Experience high-speed jet boating with spins and turns in the Adrenalina. Throughout the park, you will see performances depicting Mayan life, traditional dances, and games. And top off the day with the nightly extravaganza, you can purchase tickets that include dinner and the show, or just the show. Next up is Xel-Ha. Known for its underground rivers and scenic lighthouse, plus tons of other activities, Xel-Ha is a little less expensive than Xcaret and a better deal. You can purchase an all-inclusive admission. Again, children 4 and under are free, children 5 to 11 are half price, and a full all-inclusive admission is $89 per person over 11. So it's actually a really good deal. All your meals are included throughout the park. Some of the activities included are a dolphin experience and several zip line experiences. Again, bring or rent snorkel gear so you can take advantage of the calm water snorkeling, the lazy river. There's even a tubing experience. For high adventure, nothing beats Xplor. Xplor is a jungle experience with a myriad of zipline circuits, including the highest zip lines in the area. Everything is included. You can try as many activities as you want, as many times as you want. Admission is $134 US for adults, with children 5 to 11 half price. You must be 5 years old or older for admission to the park. The park is open Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and they have a nighttime experience called Xplor Fuego. Explore underground rivers and caves. There are 2 amphibious vehicles courses, crossing through jungle roads and flooded caverns. And of course, there's water slides. If you're into unusual experiences, you're going to want to try Senses. Admission is $62 US. Children 5 to 11 are half off, and 4 and under are free. The park is open Monday to Saturday, 8:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. There are more than 50 fantastic scenarios that focus on, well, as the name tells you, senses. Hearing, sight, smell, touch, taste, and many other senses. At Senses, nothing is what it seems. The Riviera Maya is chock full of adventure parks and attractions, far too many to show you all of them. So I just hit the highlights. I've listed a bunch of them here. You can look through them, see if there's anything else that maybe you want to know more about. I mean, just look at all of these activities. Again, the excursions desk in the lobby has all the information on everything that there is to do. Just remember to plan a full day around whatever excursions you take so you don't feel rushed. Now, just because there's so much to do, doesn't mean you have to do all of it, much of it, or any of it. Remember, it's your vacation.